Hi, I'm dear friends. This is After Effects and I'll show you how to create a simple animation in After Effects, the animation of appearance of the text. So let's create new composition. I want to go to File, Import File, Import Nice Image, for example. Let it be this one. It will be our new composition. So I'm doing the right click on the file and choosing in the list make new composition from the selection. That will be our composition, and now let us create text. So I'm going to horizontal text tool, clicking on it, and now clicking on our composition and writing something like winter, for example. Okay, now I'm dropping it a little bit more to the center, and we'll change a little bit the parameters of our text. I have to select my text and go to character and change the color of my text, its size, for example, and maybe style. Yeah, like that. Now let's start animation. So you have to be sure you're on a level with your text. Let's click on animate and choose firstly opacity and tracking. Now I'm decreasing the tracking amount for letters to be like together and decreasing opacity to 0%. Next thing, let's go to range selector and create our first start keyframe. Then move our slider, for example, to 10th second position and create end keyframe. And now I will increase here the slider next to start to 100. Okay, and that will be our animation. Let's see how it works. I think it's nice. Thank you. See ya. Bye.